In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to bring an existing Excel template to life using the AnyChart Spreadsheets extension in Qlik Sense. We'll start by loading data into the Qlik app. First, we'll import the template into the AttachedFiles. Then we'll import two tables from it, one with budget categories and the other with transaction records. The loading script we're using can be found in the description of this video or on the Spreadsheets documentation page. Next, we'll create a new sheet in the Qlik application, name it accordingly, and open it. Then we'll enter edit mode and drag the Spreadsheets extension from the Custom Objects, AnyChart section onto the canvas. With the extension selected, open the File tab in the ribbon menu. Click the Import Excel File button and select our pre-built template, Personal budget.xlsx. The structure includes two sheets, one for budget summaries and one for transactions. Let's now connect our Qlik data. Open the Data section in the Property panel and create two data sections, one for the budget sheet and one for the transactions sheet. First, we'll configure the data section for the budget sheet by adding the category dimension and the measures sum, budget, sum, amount, and a calculated measure subtracting sum, amount from sum, budget. The second data section will be created for the transactions sheet, consisting of the date, description, and category dimensions, along with the sum, amount measure. Don't forget to configure the labels for your measures, so the final result looks clean in the end. Now switch back to the template, set the cell types to general, and clear out the cells where we'll be injecting live Qlik data. Clearing and formatting the cells ensures the formulas will evaluate correctly. Let's now connect our data sections to the spreadsheet. In the budget sheet, enter the Qlik database formula using index 0 as the parameter for the first data section, in the cell where your data table begins. We'll pass true to both the show label and show total parameters and change the corresponding cell types to currency. Then do the same on the transactions sheet, using index 1 to connect to the second data section and pass true only to the show label parameter. Set the date column cells to short date and the amount column cells to currency. This ensures everything displays properly with the correct formatting. Make any final formatting changes you need. In our case, we'll update the text field content on both sheets. Lastly, click the Save to App button in the ribbon menu to preserve your changes. Finally, to showcase the power of Qlik's associative model, apply a few selections. You'll see the entire spreadsheet update in real time, as it stays fully connected to your Qlik data model. You've now integrated a custom Excel template into Qlik, connected live data, and made it interactive using Qlik formulas. Thanks for watching.